In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up.
Yeah. Please welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. Today's video is going to be about this wig. It's from Ashimary Hair Company. Playlist is going to be somewhere, probably at the bottom. But the details that I'm about to mention and the links to this particular wig and this company is going to be down in the description box. So this is, I believe, their Waterwave texture, 26 inches, and it's one of the ready to wear and go wigs. It's pre-cut, pre-bleached, and it's supposed to be pre-plucked. Now I will say I can tell like the first the first centimeter of the perimeter of the lace is plucked, but then like if I'm looking through that, I can see how dense the line behind it is of the hair. So I definitely would suggest going behind them and plucking it. That's just my opinion. That's what I did, and I feel like I need to do some more, but there's that. When it comes to it being pre-bleached, they did a fine job. Pre-cut, fine job. This hair is so freaking soft. It's so fluffy. I have no product in it. I just feel like this hair is really pretty as you're putting your hands throughout it, and you can get it to be even more bigger. You can get it to be bigger, child, by just fluffing it up, and I just feel like it's so cute. Waterwave textures used to be my favorite texture back in the day, so this is definitely giving me flashbacks. I really do like it. I put contour powder on the lace part just so that it can blend easy with my skin tone, and I put concealer in the parting space. Now the construction of this wig, it has an adjustable elastic band and adjustable straps. It has no combs whatsoever, and on the elastic band it has that clear material that makes it so it's not going to like slide off your hair. Make sure that the elastic band over time doesn't loosen, so I really do like that. It is so tight, you guys. I had to take this wig off and loosen it. Like, I took advantage of both the straps and the elastic band, and it was too much. So that's a good thing. That's really a good thing, because you can adjust it to like how you want it to fit on your head. Whereas some other wigs, you really don't have that option. You got to kind of make it work for what you got. So I really like this about this wig. The only thing that I would want is maybe like a comb or two, you know? But you know what? They put a comb. Where did I put it at? They had a comb in the back. Yeah, see, they provided it for you. So they said, child, you don't have to sew it in yourself if you want it. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Okay, lastly, this wig is completely glueless, as you guys saw me put it on. You do not need to install it with anything. And as snug as this wig is, it is so secure. So freaking secure. So completely glueless, very convenient. I don't feel like I need to put any product on this hair. This hair is going to be low maintenance. What more can you ask for, child? Other than the plucking. What more? Okay, because they really doing it. So anyways, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.
Take a whore when you're not here, not a home when you're not here. Hearts to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. Can't just snooze and